Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a very cool chain block lock. This is a Kamelock chain lock by, it looks like Hame, H-A-M-E. Don't know the make at all. This is sent to me very kindly by Talonpick. A brilliant picker, really nice guy. Go check his channel out. If you've not watched his stuff, he's an amazing picker and he subtitles all his videos in English as well, so there's no excuses not to enjoy his content. But yeah, these chain locks are just really cool. You can see how you put one chain there, and then you put the other end of the chain, put a link through this side as well, and that would secure whatever you were securing. Usually, in these cases, a bike or something like that. Very cool key. We'll come on to that in a second, but I'll show you how this would work. You turn the key and then you can withdraw these shackles. Now, this chain is a tiny bit too small for this, so it does go. It does come out, but I need to. There you go. Just get it in the right position, like that, and then the other one can come out. It won't lock back up until both of these shackles are locked, though, which is kind of cool. Now, keyway / key. This looks like a Bantam M2000 key. If you look in the keyway, you see the pins are touching just like a Bantam, but it doesn't pick like a Bantam. It picks much more like a Kaba, but it's got 10 pins in it as well. So yeah, it's not quite like the Kaba 8. It's maybe like a Kizo 10, but not as good. It's not a brilliantly made lock, but it's still a fun pick, and certainly a lock that I've had a bit of fun practicing with. Looking at the construction of the lock, it actually looks like, I don't know whether it's just the machining, but it looks like it might be made out of like laminated layers of steel, then somehow coated in a sort of chrome. I don't know. Does it matter? Not sure. But still, very cool lock. Let's throw this in a vise and have a pick. Okay, so we're in the vise. Here is the key. Make sure that goes in and works smoothly. It's a bit gritty, this lock, truthfully, so that's important. I've got a pick which Talonpick sent me, and you can see here how thick it is, and that should go in the bottom of the keyway and manipulate the sets of pins, and then just pop top of the keyway tension in, increase the tension quite a bit, and just try pin stack 1. There's 12 pins in this, actually, I miscounted. 2, nothing there. 3 little click, maybe. 4 now, binding, little click, nice click off 4. Can't feel anything back at the back. Let's try, oh, there is something binding here. Oh, that's it. I think that's pin 6. Let's try the other side. No, we're okay, Let's try back to 1, nothing. 2 now. I think I can feel 2 binding. Let's try the left hand pin. Yeah, little click. Anything on the right yet? No, okay. So just try 3, nothing. 4, nothing, okay. 5, and 6, nothing. Okay, back to the front. 1's binding a little bit, that felt okay. Let's try pin stack 2. Feels good. 3, 4, 5, and back to 6. Something's binding at the back here. 6 at the back, and a little click. And on the other side, oh, and look at that. We are open now. It looks like the pin chambers are either side like this. So if I turn it this way to get the open, I'm hoping that, fingers crossed, it won't completely mess up. I'm just trying to think the lock, if I only turn it that far. And it should mean that I can take this out and open it up. I can't gut it, I don't think. There's a way to do that. But we should be able to pull these shackles out. And we are open. So now let's see if I can turn it back without destroying it. And hopefully it'll work still. Where's the key? Phew. I'm always terrified of locks like this, which have so many pins. So I miscounted, I thought there were 10 originally. There's 12 pins in this. I'm always terrified that something will go wrong, I overturn it, I get pin swapping between the chambers and it'll never work again, because these locks are fun. Oh look, do you know what, I didn't even look. I thought it was Haim. It's a Kame or Kame lock made in Italy. Oh, there you go, an Italian chain lock. I didn't know that. So yeah, a good fun lock, 12 pinner. You just got to be careful how you pick this one. It's got quite good feedback, but it's not a particularly high security lock. I enjoyed it, I hope you did too. If you did, leave a like. Any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And of course, I'll see you all next time.